Hey, yo, you don't have to love me. You don't even have to like me.
Hey y'all, it's me, Miss Leah, coming with another video. I have some Cast Explosion $2 Ohio lottery tickets. These are either they went backwards or this is the new start of a new book. Y'all can see triple zeros up to 002. Okay, the object of the game is to match 3 identical prize amounts or 2 and a multiplier symbol 2 times and 5 times to win that prize, or reveal an entry 3 times and you'll be eligible for the appearance on the TV game show. So we're going to get started. Okay, so we're just looking for 3 cash amounts or 2 in a symbol. We got 10, 20, 4, 5,000. Ooh, that would be nice. We got 1 entry, another $10, $4. Now these last 2 determine whether it's a winner or not. We got 2 10s and we got 2 4s. 1 entry. We got another 20. Let's see what the last spot is. And we got another 5,000. So nothing on the first one. The second is 001. We got 20. We got 2. 500. Another 20. That would be nice. $10. 5,000. Another $2. Another 10. So let's see what the last spot is. It is a 5,000. 2 5,000. No winner there. Let's see. Last one. We got a $2. 500. $50. 5,000. 500. $2. 50. 5,000 and $2. So we have a $2 win on the Cast Explosion. So we have 1 win out of the 6. Not a very good win, but it's a win anyway. I'll take it. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I thank you for watching.